Another 3 accused youths related with the gang rape of 2 minor girls at Ganaram area of Jampuijala were arrested by Srinagar Police on Saturday night. Their names are Bishal Debbarma, Surajit Debbarma and Dipankar Debbarma. Srinagar Police has arrested a total of 7 accused in relation with the incident. 2 minor girls from Kulai Nalichora area of Ambasha and Kumulung Edisi Colony area was gang raped by 7 youths on April 13. It is known that a minor girls were studying at Kumpui Academic School at Kumulung. After the incident, a case was filed at Srinagar Police Station. After a complaint was filed, police started their investigation by keeping the victim at juvenile home and at first arrested 3 accused. Among the 3, 2 were minors. After a few days, police again arrested 1 minor accused. Likewise, another 3 accused was arrested by Srinagar Police on Saturday night. Their names are Bishal Debbarma, Surajit Debbarma and Dipankar Debbarma. A complaint was filed against 7 accused in relation with the incident. And the police has arrested all the 7 accused, and Srinagar Ushi said that among all the arrested, 3 of them were minors.
গত 13 তারিখের আমরা থানা একটা 2 নাবালিকার দর্শন কাণ্ডে ইনফরমেশন পাওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা একটা কেস নিয়ে তদন্ত করি। আমরা তদন্তে নেমে প্রথমে 3 জনকে আমরা আটক করি, পরবর্তী সময় আরও একজনকে আমরা অ্যারেস্ট করি। গতকালকে আমরা আরও বাকি 3 জনকে টোটাল মোট 7 জনকে আমরা ওই কেসে আমরা অ্যারেস্ট করতে সক্ষম হয়। তাদেরকে আজকে মাননীয় আদালতে প্রেরণ করা হলো।
তার মধ্যে কতজন নাবালক এবং কতজন সাবালক ছিল?
এর মধ্যে 7 জনের মধ্যে 3 জন নাবালক, বাকি 4 জন সাবালক।
Police has presented all the 7 arrested accused to the district court on Sunday. On the other hand, family members of 2 victims minor can finally breathe in peace as all the accused has been arrested. And now they are waiting for what action will the law take against the arrested. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.